In this video, I will show you how to create a then and now photo post on Facebook. First, launch open the Facebook app, log into your account. Now tap on the What's on your mind option to create a new post. Here tap on photo/video or gallery. Now select two photos you want to use, one for then and one for now. After selecting it, tap on next. Scroll down and tap on the choose layout option. Then select frame so your photos appear side by side. Now to label your photos, tap on edit on the first photo. Tap on the A text icon. Add text like 2020 or then, adjust size, color and position. After that is done, repeat the same steps for the second photo as well. Once you have done it, tap on the done option. You'll now see both photos side by side and add a caption like then versus now or progress over time, then post it. In this way, you can make your then and now post on Facebook. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.